Plex versus Emby versus Jellyfin versus Kodi. The truth about each media server. Here's a short, detailed comparison and recommendation for Plex, Jellyfin, Emby, and Kodi. Plex. Short, detail, polished, user-friendly client-server system with excellent remote streaming. Strong metadata handling. Relies more on its own ecosystem and paid Plex Pass for advanced features like hardware transcoding and live TV/DVR. Recommendation: best for ease of use, seamless remote access, and a premium out-of-the-box experience, especially if you're willing to pay for Plex Pass. Ideal for less technical users who want a hassle-free setup. Jellyfin. Short, detail, completely free and open-source client-server system. Offers good metadata management and free access to all features, including hardware transcoding and live TV/DVR with compatible hardware. Requires more manual configuration, especially for remote access. Recommendation: best for users who prioritize a completely free and open-source solution with no feature lock behind a paywall and are comfortable with a bit more technical setup. Excellent for those who want full control over their media server. Emby. Short, detail, primarily open-source client-server system with a balance of user-friendliness and customization. Some advanced features, like hardware transcoding and full DVR, are part of the paid Emby Premier tier. Offers more granular control than Plex. Recommendation: a strong middle ground for users who appreciate open-source principles, but also desire a more refined user experience than Jellyfin. Good for those who want more customization options without the complexity of Kodi and might consider paying for premium features. Kodi. Short, detail, primarily a highly customizable standalone media player. Relies heavily on add-ons for extended functionality, including streaming and live TV. Can act as a client for UPnP/DLNA servers like Plex and Jellyfin, but doesn't have a built-in server for easy remote streaming and user management. Recommendation: best for users who prioritize extreme customization through skins and add-ons and primarily consume media locally or are comfortable setting up more complex network configurations for streaming. Ideal for home theater enthusiasts who want a tailored experience. In a nutshell for recommendation: easiest remote streaming and polished experience. Plex, if you don't mind the potential cost. Completely free and open source with all features. Jellyfin, if you're comfortable with some manual setup. Balance of user-friendliness and customization. Emby, consider if you might need premium features. Maximum customization and local playback focus. Kodi, if you're less concerned about a seamless client-server experience. Your specific needs and technical comfort level will ultimately determine the best choice for you. So which of these are you willing to use right now? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone. Catch you in the next one.